The year of 2023 is coming soon. The traditional Chinese calendar used the 12 zodiac signs to determine the year's name. Do you know what the year of 2023 is? It is the year of the rabbit. Today, we invite this year's mascot, the rabbit, into our video. The materials we need are as follows. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first step is to pull, stretch, and knead the clay to make a ball and shape the rabbit's round body. Next is to draw the rabbit's grape-like eyes. Look, it seems to be saying 你好 to us. What does a rabbit's nose look like? Does it look like the Chinese character 人? By the way, let's add some pink blush on its cheeks to make it cuter. The second step is to put the rabbit's feet on. The rabbit's calves are too cute. The third step is to use the long white clay to shape a pair of ears for the rabbit. Fold them together and put them on the head of the rabbit. We can also brush the ears with light pink color. In the first step, it's time to make a carrot for the rabbit. We need to use orange clay. And don't forget to carve a few lines on it. Also, we need to add some green leaves to the carrot. Now, our rabbit's favorite carrot has been made. Look, the little white rabbit likes the carrot so much and can't bear to let it go. Hey, where are the hands? Yes, in the fifth step, we would put the hands on its body. From the front, the rabbit looks adorable, but it's not over yet. In the last step, don't forget that our little white rabbit has a cute furry tail behind it. Okay, all finished. Let's welcome the rabbit year 2023.